All right, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. This is a Leslie slow upper motor. Upper slow motor. And I'm getting ready to rebuild it. Makes a little noise when it's getting ready to change, so I'm gonna let you hear it. I don't know if you could hear it, but it jerks hard. It's not smooth. So I'm gonna put a new spring in there. I can hear it go. So when it comes to the end of its cycle, or when I go to the fast motor, I can hear this going like that. So I'm going to go ahead and rebuild this. All right. So that's the project for today. Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.